Chickadee-dee-dee. Okay, okay. They're landing on my head. It's the end of the year, and Rick and I have amazing tradition. For over 10 years now, where we take to nature and select an animal totem. And this year, we thought we'd invite the energy of the chickadee. A little bit of information about the chickadee, one of my totems, one of my power animals. Look at this, so beautiful. Chickadee-dee-dee. Chickadees, you know, they travel in small groups called banditry. And that's to help them. They're a little teeny bird, but they're so full of energy. They're like the bird of joy, the bird of happiness. And the black cat chickadee, the bird of truth. Oh my gosh, this never gets tiring. I must tell you, this is so exciting. Having them land right on you. Oh, so last year, you might remember if you've been a regular watcher of Fun Fab Friday, last year, my animal totem for the year was Gila Monster. Very suitable for last year. If you want to know the message about that, you can go to watch last year's episode. Rick's animal was the wolf. How wonderful. So stay tuned as we select our animal guides for this coming year. Thank you, Chickadee. Chickadee, 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 chickadee. Times to select my animal totem for this year. So we've got Ted Andrews' animal spirit cards, if you're familiar with that. And here we go. You shuffle them up to put your energy on, then you get centered. Oh, universe, who will be my guide for the year? I'm ready for a new totem. Who will guide me? Who will guide me? Let's see. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I got the cougar. Cougar is actually one of my animal totems too. So beautiful. All right. So I'll go and read all about the cougar. Rick, are you ready to pull your card too now?
I am.
Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Cougar, thank you. And I would like to say thank you to Gila Monster for providing the support that I needed last year.
Okay, you guys are going to help me pick one then? Here, you pick one.
Look on the camera.
Pick one. Oh, you touch this one. We're both in the cat theme this year. Lynx.
Oops. Cougar's appearance heralds a time of accomplishment. So, here we are. Oh, our totem for the year. I got cougar. Rick got lynx. Oh, it's so exciting. 2 cats. Strong, powerful cats to protect us for the year. Oh, that's another episode of Fun Fab Friday at our favorite location, Scanlon Creek. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Over 80 episodes of Fun Fab Friday. Watch them all in succession or one at a time. Any way you want, just watch them. Thanks for tuning in. See you again next year. Happy New Year. Yippee!
It's a feeding frenzy.
What fun. What fun. fun, what fun. Look at this. Oh, nature, what a beautiful thing. And they're not even scared away by the cackle. So beautiful. Look at that. Get some protein, everyone. There's one more. Uh-oh, it's a whole big hole. Oh, someone. Oh,